Let's begin by highlighting that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and the income that can be generated from this business opportunity is not guaranteed. Everyone has a different participation level. Some do this part-time to make a little bit of money, and some do this full-time and live in the top 1% of income earners worldwide. So it's really up to you to decide how you want to participate. To read the full income disclosure statement, scroll down to the footer and click on where you see earnings disclaimer. We welcome you to get started right now.
Hey guys, I know a lot of you are not going to get through this whole video, especially if you're watching from your iPhone. You're just not going to be able to do it. So if you have to leave, you can't finish the video, before you go, scroll down and look for a link to schedule a session with Robyn and I. You can see our calendar, you can see all our availability, and we'll meet you on a Zoom and make sure you understand what's going on. So before you go, be sure to do that, and we'll talk to you soon.
Hey, it's Robyn Linn. In just a moment, you'll hear from Mike Klingler, who will share why now is the time to join MyDailyChoice to reach your income goals. Last we met, I encouraged you to register at the MDC website, which you did, so welcome here. I hope you had a chance to watch the 4 videos that share the company, their products, how you get paid, and how to get started. Now, we're going to give you access to this exact system that we've been using to hit our income goals. You might have noticed people falling under your position, meaning you could have business volume building under you right now. But you don't want to wait, because every Thursday night, those who enroll jump above those who don't. This system rewards action takers. So watch this video and join us today to capitalize on the most powerful team building strategy ever created. Now, let's talk about how Mike and I support those of you who join our team. We're here to help you reach your goals, and we have a unique strategy. Here's Mike to explain.
Hi everyone, the presentation will begin in just a moment. I'm Mike Klingler. A lot of you might remember me from the attraction marketing industry, where my big claim to fame was our first $1 million day launch with our partnership with Ann Sieg, back when we were competing with Mike Dillard. We then came out with Marketing Funnel Mastery, another 7-figure program that I was able to launch to the industry long before ClickFunnels or Russell Brunson crushed the market. I went on to build many traditional businesses. 7-figure and 8-figure years were normal for me. You might be wondering, why am I here? Well, it's an opportunity of a lifetime. Being able to build a residual income and to be able to do it relatively fast because you found the right company is really rare in this market. I want you to look closely at what I'm covering in this video. Ask whatever questions you need to. This is an opportunity of a lifetime. Whether you want to make $500 a month or $50,000 a month, or like me, a 7-figure residual income, this is your chance. You're going to learn of many different marketing systems that come together to create a very simple path for you. We have a system for you to build this business, and we're helping you do it. We're helping you get into momentum. You have incredible support here. And that's my final point to you before we begin the presentation. Get your questions answered, reach out, connect, and find out about the all-star upline you have access to. It is absolutely unprecedented. So with all that said, let's enter into the presentation. I'll see you soon. This system and the totality of this opportunity will speak for itself. But the footage you're looking at here was taken between 8 and 12 years ago, when I used to do a lot of public speaking, a lot of hands-on training, flying around the country, teaching people how to turn their passions or their interests into thriving online businesses. But that's way out of reach of most people, because most people don't have the time to put all of that together. So today what I do is really different. Robyn and I have set up a system that allows you to leverage us and our marketing and content to build a business in one of the most exciting growth markets that's going to be here for a very long time, the CBD market. And if you think that industry is saturated, think again. I'm going to show you how we can know it's just getting started. We show you how to leverage us and our marketing. I'm going to be really clear today what that is, to be able to blast off your business and build residual income. Now, for me, and I suspect most of you listening right now, this isn't so much about the money, though I do believe life is a whole lot easier when you have a lot of it. This isn't so much about the prestige either, though I do like flying first class over coach, right? Who doesn't? But really what this comes down to for me, and I suspect most of you, is the lifestyle. The ability to be able to wake up and do what you want to do with your time, to not be burdened financially. And that's what I was able to create many, many years ago, and that this system is specifically designed to help you be able to do. In this comprehensive review, we're going to talk about how we drive infinite business volume into your first leg and what that means. How we help you build your second leg, which is all you need to generate $1,500 a month, $10,000 a month, $25,000 a month, $50,000 a month, all the way up to $1 million per month. Now look, I know that's not a goal that most people have. The point is, with just 2 legs in momentum, you can literally generate unlimited income, and we're going to be very specific about how that works. There's one compensation structure that pays you unlimited income on just 2 legs, but there's also other compensation structures we'll go over that pays you in addition to that. It really is a lucrative compensation plan, and if you just get 2 legs into momentum, which our system helps you do, you can literally create any kind of lifestyle that you're setting out to do. Now, how hard has it been for you to get your business into momentum in the past? Whether it was an opportunity you've tried before in network marketing, or whether it's something you're in right now, most people just can't do it. Most people can't attract leaders like myself or Robin. There's tens of thousands of us out there. We're not that rare, but you need something really tantalizing to be able to attract in leaders who can create that momentum and that growth. You need to be able to bring in a lot of people, and it shouldn't be a big deal. We're going to show you a system that sets you up to do exactly what we do. We're going to be clear about how this is done, and not just about our commitments to you, but what your commitments need to be in return to be a part of the team and to benefit from all this. We'll talk about why this company is poised for critical mass growth, meaning it's at the position right now where the foundation's been built and it's about ready to blast off. That's not just a guess. I'm going to share with you how we know that to be true. We're going to talk about the CBD market, and again, we've referenced this. It's not saturated. It's just in its infancy, and it's important to understand why. We're going to talk about that. The regulatory environment, which is a part of that conversation and really gives us the green light to know that there's a lot of growth coming. We'll also review all the markers that are here to show that this is a legacy company. A legacy company is a company that makes it and makes it big. These are the ones that live on for decades. When you get your network growing with a company like this, you're wealthier beyond belief as that continues to compound over the years that follow. It's a legacy company. It's something you can leave to your children and your grandchildren. Now, this is important to look at for a lot of reasons, the most important being, sure, we can help you get your income off the ground and get it into momentum, but man, think about where that goes if it continues to grow and compound for years and years to come. I referenced a moment ago how we're going to show you how you can earn unlimited income with just 2 legs. I'm going to go into even more detail in this segment about all the compensation structures that are actually on top of that for additional income streams. It's pretty wild. You're going to want to stick around and see all of the details of the compensation plan. We're going to go into the details of our commitments that we make to you so you're clear what we're delivering, what we're doing, and what your commitments are to us and the team to be a part of this, to be able to benefit from everything. That's going to be clear as well. Now, you'll hear from Robyn Linn throughout this presentation. She'll check in from time to time just to reiterate important points, make sure that you're understanding everything. In addition to Robyn being an exceptional marketer in videos and in her own right, she's also someone you're going to be able to leverage along with me and use our content and our systems that we create. She creates a lot of the behind the scenes stuff, the technical stuff that you don't actually see at play that makes this so powerful, in addition to being in the videos. We're going to be really clear about how all of this works, so by the time you're done watching this entire comprehensive review, there'll be no confusion, no ambiguity whatsoever about why it works, and how this is such an extraordinary opportunity, not just because of the company and the industry and those kinds of things, but because of what we're offering to you as your upline. Okay, things are about to get really interesting. I'm about to get into the details of how we build not just 1 leg, but 2 legs with a really specific strategy that's unique to us.
To watch the entire video, click the button below, go back. If you have any questions, click Meet Us to see our calendar and schedule to meet with us directly in a live Zoom. For a full review of your 3 options to join us at Level 1, Level 2, or Level 3, click Join Options to see which option is best for you. We're here to help you succeed with this unprecedented opportunity and system.